Hi everyone, this is Debbie Smith. I'm the Cover Alabama Campaign Director at Alabama Arise. This week, the Affordable Care Act turns 16 years old, and that's worth celebrating. The ACA has saved lives, protected people with pre-existing conditions, helped young adults stay on their parents' health insurance coverage, and opened the door to affordable care for millions of families in America. Alabama has felt those benefits too, but right now, we're going in reverse. Too many people in our state are losing coverage or facing healthcare costs they simply can't afford. When enhanced tax credits expired back in December, thousands of Alabamians were priced out of coverage overnight. Early 2026 numbers show at least 20,000 fewer people enrolled this year, and many families are watching their premiums double or even triple. And when people can't afford insurance, they can't afford to see a doctor. They skip checkups, they stretch their medicine, they get sicker, and our hospitals, especially in rural areas, struggle to keep their doors open. There is a solution: Medicaid expansion. At our recent Cover Alabama Advocacy Day, we released a new report from Families USA that lays out the numbers clearly. Under the so-called One Big Beautiful Bill Act, Medicaid expansion will cost Alabama about $110 million. But refusing to expand Medicaid means we'll lose $181 million in 2026, money the federal government would have otherwise covered. Even after the new cost, Medicaid expansion still creates $71 million in net savings for 2026. You can read the full report at coveralabama.org/savings report. Now, it's true that in future years, Alabama will need to find new revenue because the One Big Beautiful Bill Act limits how states can use provider taxes. But here's the bottom line: we can afford Medicaid expansion if our leaders make it a priority. Other states have figured it out. Alabama can too. If we expanded Medicaid, about 154,000 more Alabamians, most of them essential workers, would finally be able to see a doctor, fill a prescription, and stay healthy enough to care for their families and keep our community strong. The path forward is clear. Alabama can still expand Medicaid. We can still protect our people, our hospitals, and our future. Join us in this fight. Share this video and sign up for updates and action alerts at coveralabama.org/alert. Together, we can finally close the coverage gap in Alabama.